Hi guys, it's Andy from Nismotech UK. Today we're giving an unboxing and overview for Luxa2. This is their Groovy wireless stereo speaker. Okay, so onto the box itself. We've got the Luxa2 branding up at the top. For those of you who don't know, they are a part of Thermaltake. They are a division of Thermaltake, so you know that you're going to be getting high quality products inside the actual box. Got an image of the Groovy speaker on the front. Obviously you can see that we've got a band across the top, so it gives it that sort of oldie world type look and feel. Over here we've got Groovy branding, modern music lover, Bluetooth connectivity or wired connectivity, excellent sound quality, excellent sound and sleek all aluminium design, and two leather handles are included for easy gripping. Moving on to this side, we have got the specification of the speaker itself. So we've got a Bluetooth module built in with a wireless range of 10 meters, a built-in rechargeable battery, 3.7 lithium at 1800 milliamps. Takes 3.5 hours to charge it, and out of that charge you'll get 3 to 3.5 hours playing time at maximum volume. So if you don't play at maximum volume, you will get a longer amount of play time. We have an audio output of 2.5 watts times 2 and a frequency response of 100 Hz up to 20 kilohertz. The unit is 186 by 54 by 76 millimeters and weighs in at 328 grams. Moving on to this side, it just tells you about the various different buttons, etc., and what they actually do. And then on this side, we have got a little bit more information with regards to its design, its sound quality, or aluminium design, etc. So, without further ado, let's get into the actual box itself. Just pop the tab open a moment. This is another box that doesn't seem to want to open very easily for me. There we go. So let's have a look and see what we get inside. Okay, so the first thing that we get inside is your Groovy quick start guide. Let's get this out of the actual packaging and have a good old look. Pop that down to one side. Looks quite nice and stylish. Very simple setup with regards to how you go about setting the speaker up, Bluetooth pairing, how you control the volume, the battery indicator, all very nicely laid out. Remove that plastic. It comes very well packaged indeed. That's the actual speaker. It looks really nice. Let's just double check there's nothing else inside the box. We should have some other bits and pieces, which we have, so let's just get that a moment. Shut the box back up and put it back over there. So the other thing that we get inside here is a nice leather carry bag with the Luxa2 branding embossed down at the bottom there. Looks really good. Obviously it's drawstring. Close it straight up. Very nice and easy to carry it around with. We have got your second strap, which we'll come on to in a moment. Inside this bag here, you have got your audio jack 3.5 to 3.5 and your mini USB charging cable. Okay, so let's now take a closer look around the Luxa2 Groovy. It's a very stylish look at the speaker, I must admit. Also we've got this all aluminium look and construction. So it's really quite nice indeed. Very, quite heavy to be fair. I like the fact that it's got this sort of gap in between here. It just adds to the overall design look. We've got the Luxa2 branding on there. We've got this sort of mesh effect covering all over the front of the actual speaker, and I must admit it really does look very nice indeed. Onto the bottom, we have got 4 rubber feet, so obviously that's going to help it from stop moving around. But not only that, because of its construction, it means that it's also going to stop it from vibrating too much on a desk or table. Moving along to the top, we have got your auxiliary in, you've got your power on, you've got your minus and plus, play, pause, take a call, and your charging cable, and also your built-in microphone. So you are able to make and receive calls with the Luxa2 as well. Now, the actual handle, as you can see, works reasonably quite well. This colour is tan. Suits the actual Groovy, I must admit. If you were to put the black one on, let's just take this off a moment and we can show you. Okay, so I've got the black one put onto the speaker. Personally, I think the tan version actually suits this particular speaker a lot better than the black one. But the handle is very good. It's not going to go anywhere. It's the right size to fit your hand into. So if you were walking up and down the street carrying this, or just generally carrying it around, it works as you'd expect. The overall look is really very eye-catching. I really do like the look of the Luxa2 Groovy with its aluminium construction. Looking on the back, we've just got a little bit of information about the model number, the input, 5 volts, etc. So what we're going to do now, we're going to give this a sound test. Okay, so we've now got charge into the Luxa2 Groovy, so I'm just going to switch this on. As you can see, we've got a blue indication light coming on. That will turn red and blue in a moment. There we go, so it's now searching for a Bluetooth device. So we're going to switch the Bluetooth on the phone. Hopefully you can see that without it being too bright. We've got the Luxa2 down there, so we're just going to connect. Now that's connected, you'll hear an audible beep and the light disappears. So let's play some music. Don't you ever run. I could never be what you wanted. You want to escape. No happy after. One right with no regret. Okay, so now on to my personal thoughts about the Luxa2 Groovy wireless stereo speaker. So the first thing I want to cover is the design of the speaker. Personally, I really like it. I think it's a very retro looking design. It's definitely the sort that will fit into the majority of kitchens, for example, or just sitting on a table or on a desk. It just looks really good. I love the sort of styling of the actual speaker compared to some of the ones that are out there that got a soft rubber touch. They come in various different bright little colours, etc. This one for me stands out, and personally I really like the look of it. The leather handle along the top is really good, performs very well, it's very strong, doesn't come off at all, and the fact that you can change it for the black version instead of the tan version, obviously that's down to your personal preference. I personally like the tan colour. I think it suits the speaker a lot better. Now on to its performance. As you can tell by the sound test that we did, when it is up loud it does get rather distorted. However, with that being said, when it's at a medium to high volume, the bass level is extremely good indeed. It's very crisp, very clear with regards to its mids and its lows. And overall, it's definitely a pleasure listening to music being played through the speaker. With regards to its battery life, I managed to make it last for at least a week before I actually had to charge it, and during that time I was playing music probably for about half an hour to 45 minutes, and it's only towards the end that obviously I needed to recharge the actual device, which only took about 3 hours or so to actually fully recharge it. I also like the pouch that comes with the actual speaker itself. It means that obviously if you were to move this around, take it on holiday with you, obviously it just adds that little bit of protection and looks really good as well. So overall, personally I think the Groovy is an excellent Bluetooth speaker. It's something different to what's on the market at the moment. So big thumbs up to Luxa2 for the overall design. I think that's one of the key things about the actual speaker, is that it looks really good indeed. So we hope you liked the unboxing, the overview and the sound test, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. We hope you liked our video review. If you did, then please leave a like, as well as any comments or questions you may have down below. Full details and specifications on this item can be found at our website, nismotech.com, along with all the links for purchasing if you wish. Also on our site you'll find our latest reviews and current giveaways, plus a lot more. We look forward to seeing you in our next review.